Hi guys, it's Machaela. So today you guys requested it, so I did do another look featuring the KAB Cosmetics Day and Night Palette. I used some more of the neutral shades. I kind of did this little more kind of soft glam, a little bit more sultry of a look. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Again, welcome. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and let's just get right into the look. I'm going to go ahead and start over here with the shade Sand on just a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe one, and I am going to place that in my crease as my first transition shade. I'm going to go in with a Luxie 237 brush, and I'm going to take the shade Cocoa and put that on the outer corner of my eye here, and then just blending it into the crease. And then just going back with that first brush and just blending out the edges so they're nice and smooth. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Golden Hour just on my ring finger here. And I'm going to place that all over the lid, all the way to the inner corner, and just kind of bringing that up on the crease a little bit. Just blending that up. After that, on my index finger in the shade Luna, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that on the center of my eyelid, kind of marrying that outer corner shade and the lid shade together, and just kind of placing that right there. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take Cocoa on a small brush, and I'm going to start on the outer third of the lash, about the outer half actually, and then going in again with Luna, and I am going to take that on the inner half and just kind of blending the two shades together, wiping off the excess off the brush. I just did on a little napkin I have here, and just kind of blending them together so it just kind of creates a nice dark to light gradient. And finally, I'm going to take a pencil brush. I don't know the name of this brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Starlight, and I'm going to place that on the inner corner just to give a little bit of an inner corner highlight. Next, I am going to put on my mascara. I'm going to use my Ulta New Heights mascara, finish up the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, my face is on. I went in with my Ulta Beauty New Heights mascara. I absolutely love this stuff. This is my favorite mascara. And for lips, you can do something a little bit more nude if you want. This is one of those looks that I feel like you can go either more nude or more bold. I went with a nude lip the other day and I absolutely loved it. However, today I feel like going pink. I don't know why, I just feel like a pink look would suit this look. So I'm going to start with my Bare Minerals Statement Undercover Lip Liner in the shade Kiss-A-Thon. It's a nice bright pink. And then I'm going to go in with my Gerard Cosmetics. It's the Hydra Matte Lipstick, and it's a liquid lipstick in the shade Honeymoon. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I like that. I think that's pretty. I think it's bold. I think it's fun. And again, I think you can go with either way. But anyway, there's the look done. Hair's done. I look put together. Overall, I love this look. I think it's a cute look. I feel like the shimmers in the palette did perform better than the shimmers I used last time I had used this palette. So I thought that was great. Again, just the inconsistencies with the shimmer formula it's a big turn off for me, but I'm still liking the palette and I'm having fun with it. And if you would like to see more looks with that palette, I'm thinking I could probably do something with the more lilac-y shades. Just let me know in the comments below. But with that, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.